always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about this full drop list for Supreme Week 9. There are a couple items that I'm actually debating on going on myself, like this clock right here, and there's also a hoodie that I feel like is a banger, which I am gonna talk about in a little bit. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new or wouldn't enjoy more of this type of content. Go ahead and look at the sub count. We're literally like 98 away from 18,000 if I'm not mistaken. You guys have been showing love lately, and thank you so much for that. If you do end up enjoying this video, man, just subscribe down below. Thank you guys for 17,900. We're literally so close to 20k. Let's go ahead and get there. Without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we actually do have the retail prices for these items, which is a good thing because I could kind of determine what to go for, what's gonna have resell and what isn't. So the first item we're gonna go ahead and talk about is this Seiko watch right here. This one is gonna retail at $48. That's pretty cheap for a clock, so I'm actually excited about this clock right here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is probably gonna be my priority for this week, especially with that low retail. Honestly, I was willing to pay at least $80 for it, so the fact that it's $48 is actually pretty sick. I feel like once I put this on like an editing station, a little table with like a computer on it, this would look pretty sick on there. So I'm actually excited to go for this piece. I feel like if it does have any type of resale, it's gonna go for like $80, maybe $90 on a good day, and down the line this will be worth something. I don't know if Supreme has dropped the clock in the past, I might be mistaken, but I don't think they have, to be honest, at least in like recent years. So this is definitely an item that I can see people paying a higher ticket for. I'm excited to see what this does in the resale market, but $48 retail on this is definitely a vibe. We like this piece. Next up, we got this Tenkara fishing rod, which we did cover a little bit yesterday. This bitch is gonna retail for $448. That's crazy to me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This doesn't even have the fly wire, I guess you would call it, to pull the fish in, and apparently that's a piece that you buy separately. I don't know if this is for like fly fishing, I don't know, but at the end of the day, $448 for a fishing rod is omega steep. Like, we good on that 100%. Like, I'm sleeping on that for sure. And by the way, resell for that, just don't even think it's gonna have anything unless there's like a lot of fishermen that love Supreme. I don't see that shit doing any type of numbers. This signature label shirt isn't that bad. I kind of see why people are feeling it. It's literally a Supreme signature on like this card. I don't know what the card says on it, and it's not even letting me zoom in. This one actually isn't that bad. The retail is a little bit steep, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. $68 for retail on this shirt is kind of high in my opinion, but I do like that forest green color. I also do like that royal blue color. They don't do those that often, so I do like them a lot, but I don't know if I'd end up going for this piece in general. I kind of see why people are feeling it though. It's just clean, it has a small Supreme branding, the colors are hitting, it's fire. My favorite piece this week for sure has to be this hand style hooded sweatshirt. This one is beautiful. Honestly, if I didn't buy a hoodie this past week, I would definitely be going for this, and I'm still debating on going for it honestly, but I don't know if it's a priority this week. I definitely need the clock before this. This Supreme graffiti logo is just beautiful. I love graffiti. If you guys don't know, it's like one of my little vices, I guess you would call it. I love graffiti, and this right here is right up my alley. I love the fact that it has the little heart at the, I might have to go for this. This shit is beautiful. I love that navy color, but the hoodie I got last week is in navy, so I'd probably go for either the brown or that washed black. Is looking beautiful, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That with the varsity red 6s I just got, fire. I do like the pink as well, but if it was more of like a washed pink, I would like it even more, so I'm probably gonna sleep on that colorway. If I was to go for this, I'd probably go for the washed gray, the brown, and my third pick would either be navy or the gray. I do like the gray because it has that baby blue going around it. If you could kind of see, that's the color that it has. I don't know if this is embroidered or not. It just says it's a chenille logo, so it's like almost like a carpet vibe on it. I feel like this is gonna resell, but maybe that's just my unpopular opinion because the hoodies from last week sat, and I thought those were gonna do great. I don't know what's going on with people. Maybe they're just gearing up for summer, but we got this dog short sleeve work shirt. This is it's like a dog holding a gun, and it says I hate losing. This is like almost somebody that works on cars, like works at the shop type shirt. It's like literally a work shirt. This lavender shoulder color is looking spicy. I don't know about the design, it's alright. Then you got the orange color, which literally reminds me of like one of those prison jumpsuits. I'm good on that piece. The South2 West8 piece, y'all already know how I feel about this. I think it's actually pretty clean, bro. A lot of people are sleeping on it, but personally I think it's fire. I definitely do like that black or the brown colorway the most. If I was to go for it, those would be the colors I'd get. Retail on that's gonna be $60, and resell's probably gonna be like nothing. I don't know, if anything $80 to $90. I don't think it'll do that good, to be honest. But we do got this heavy mesh game bag. This one is not that bad. I do like this bag. Honestly, if I were to go for it at this point, I'd go balls to the wall and just probably go for the tie-dye weather type colorway. Retail on this bag is gonna be $78. $78 for this shoulder bag. That's just a little too steep in my opinion. Then we got like this Guess jeans striped shirt, which is fire. I never even saw that this was dropping. I love this shirt right here. I low-key like it in like that salmon colorway. I also like the red, and that green is beautiful. I do like the way that the design is on it. It does say Supreme really loud, but at the end of the day, I like the Guess striped jeans type of stripe feel on it, if that makes sense. I do like this shirt a lot. If it was at least $58, I would go for it. $88 for a shirt? Hell no. This River Trek jacket is probably one of my favorite jackets that Supreme has done in a minute, especially in that camo colorway. If you guys didn't know, this jacket, yes, this jacket right here is a convertible drop top jacket. It goes from a fucking long sleeve hooded jacket to a short sleeve shirt jacket. I don't know what the hell or how they do it, but they definitely did it. This shit turns from a fucking winter jacket to a summer shirt. Like, how? Just the fact that it does that makes this worth $400. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Personally, I just don't feel like spending $450 on a jacket this week. That's a little bit much in my opinion, you know. Hey, to each his own, but just for me, I don't feel like spending that much. We did talk about this jungle hat, which is the Jumanji hat. We good on this one. Camo colorway is fire though. We do got the trekking pants, which once again, drop top pants on the vibe one time. This is actually fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I love these in both colorways. I just feel like they kind of knocked it out the park with this collaboration, and people are sleeping on it, but it is what it is. I think that it's fire, and that's just my opinion on it. We do got this fleece, which is actually gonna retail at $198. I feel like this is actually cheap for a fleece. I'm feeling it. I think this is sick. It has the barbed wire style branding on it. The Supreme is pretty subtle on there, but it still says Supreme, you know what I'm saying? Low key, this is an item that I would pick up if I wasn't loving that hoodie that's releasing this week in the black colorway all the way. And second, if I wasn't to pick up the black, I would go for the yellow, but personally, I'm good on that yellow colorway. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We do got this two-tone ripstop camp cap. This is like a grid paneling on it. This shit is disgusting. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. $48, they could swallow one. We got the belted pants, which is basically like the fleece material pants. I like the black colorway. That black zebra style colorway is fire too. We got this brush stroke hooded sweatshirt. You missed me on this one. You got that Supreme branding across the hood all up here for $168. They could lick a tip with this one. This shit is so ass, like beyond ass, low key. You got the see-through Jamaica pants right here. We good on these again, bro. Low key, somebody commented on my video yesterday and that shit had me dying. I'm gonna try to put it on the screen. If I forget, y'all won't even be seeing this part. That shit had me dying, bro. These, I'm good. Like, nah, no. $228 on those two, nah, bro. $368 for this Bush parka. It's almost like a, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know what is going on with the top of this shit. Like, let me know in the comments, what the hell is this right here? That shit look like a saggy cooch, low key. But next up, we got the Bush vest. Once again, a see-through vest. I don't even know if it's see-through or not. It kind of is, because you can see the wash tag on the inside. $218, bro. Like, they taxing, bro. They taxing for real. We got the Bonthi balaclava. Literally, it has the thin strap on the front. Am I tripping, or do you see what I'm seeing? $68 for that. I'm good on that again. We got the invert hooded sweatshirt, which I'm pretty sure that this is the material that's on the inside of the sweater, but on the outside, and then the outside is on the inside, if that makes sense. It's alright. It's actually kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Look at the back of this shit. What is that? What is that picture at the bottom in the middle? Like, what is that? Let me know in the chat, please. It got like a satellite on it. I'm good on this piece. I see why it's at the bottom of the list, low key. That's $168. If you're going for that instead of the graffiti print, we are on two different pages, my brother. We got this S Repeat sweater, so so ass, like literally so terrible. Then we got the brush stroke sweat shorts, which in my opinion, unpopular opinion once again, these are better than the fucking sweater. These are still ass though. It's like you went painting and like a little kid grabbed the fucking brush and just said, yo, fuck your pants. These are so ass. Like, it's definitely better than the hoodie, but at the end of the day, these are equally as ass. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it no more. And last up, we got the fabric hat, bro. This has no shape. Like, how does this fit on your head? Please let me know. We got the bush tip hat. This has no brim on it. Low-key, if you flip this bitch the other way, you could use this shit as a cereal bowl. It has no brim on it. Like, this shit has a brim. That shit just nothing. You put that shit on and it's like a fucking fedora. I don't even know what it is. Imagine wearing a brimless fedora, bruh. Let's go ahead and give this a thumbs down for the one time. $68 for the remaining fabric. We good on this? Like, nah. Negative, bro. Negativo on that shit. Like, it just doesn't make no sense. Low-key this week, if I was to go for anything, which obviously I am, it's these two items right here. I would go for the Seiko marathon clock. That's actually gonna probably do good resale wise. And this hoodie right here is probably my favorite item releasing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The hand style hooded sweatshirt is right up my alley. I love the tag graffiti style font. That's like literally hitting the nail on the head for me. Honestly, if I could get one item, it'll probably be that hoodie. And I feel like there's a couple other bangers in here. That signature label piece is fire. Long sleeve shirt from the collab is fire. The Trek jacket, if you have the means or funds to get it, definitely a banger. I would go ahead and go for the printed stripe short sleeve. If it was at least $58, $68, it would be a contender for me. That game bag is fire in my opinion as well. Trek pants are clean, and then the fleece is fire. I feel like this week is low-key kind of clean. It's just more of a niche type week. It's not gonna be for everybody. If you're reselling, this might not be for you. Besides the clock, I think it's pretty fire in my opinion. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If I had like a rack that I just wanted to throw at something, I would probably spend a good amount of money this week. But that pretty much does it for this video, man. Let me know what y'all thought about this one in the comments. Go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to look at the sub count, bro. 98 or 96 subscribers, some shit like that, away from 18,000. Let's go ahead and get there, because once we get to 20K, I'm doing a special giveaway with either a pair of Jordans or a box logo. So make sure you start subscribing up the wazoo, bro. Like, just sub. Like, it's not that difficult. It takes 1 second to subscribe. It takes me hours to edit. So literally, please go ahead and subscribe. It means a lot. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.